Yes.
Okay, Bharat, you will go again. Okay. Mayur, will you go for the mock next? Are you ready for the mock next? Okay, after Bharat, who is going to? I will not waste my time to call upon the names. So yes, Mayur.
Yes, sir.
Will you go next
Yes, sir.
after Bharat? Okay, okay.
Sure,
Be
sir.
prepared. Okay.
Okay,
Be
sir.
prepared. I'm coming to you. Okay. Yeah, Bharat. So I think then in last lesson I have given you in last mock I have given you some rooms to improve. I guess you
Yes.
will start from that. Okay. So please kindly Bharat, kindly introduce yourself.
My name is Bharat and I'm from Miralura. So
Mm-hmm.
I have 3+ years of experience as assistant manager in Lakshmi Vilas Bank, now which
Mm-hmm.
is called as TPIL.
Mm-hmm.
So in my job role, I used to look after mostly into liabilities part, though we used to do some BGs, LCs, and the foreign exchange, but we are
Mm-hmm.
mostly account opening and liabilities part. And
Mm-hmm.
I did my bachelor's of technology in the electrical and electronics stream. And while I was in my earlier bench, I qualified 2 times in a TPP contest. I did my
Mm-hmm.
term and
So
qualified in.
you are a BTech graduate, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So why you choose banking as a career?
because I tried for my job, sir. So I tried for my jobs and I lost them in close encounters due to my uh, mm, some guidance issues. So, but the state government is taking too much time for the next notification. So I don't want to be burdened for my family. So I came to that banking stream and I got this Lakshmi Vilas Bank job.
Okay. Okay. So, what you have done in your banking experience? What type of exposure you have seen in banking?
Yeah, as presently, present branch and then we have two officers, but earlier branch I am the only officer in my branch, except manager. So I used to look after all the transactions over the counter, and I used to look after the loan. My earlier
So,
branch
how
have
many years you are into banking?
3 years, sir.
How many years you are into banking?
3 years.
So, in 3 years, what is your biggest achievement in banking?
Biggest achievement in banking is EPP only, sir.
Okay. So, any recognition, any award, any special achievement?
Yes, sir. I've done 2 times uh, recognitions from my organizations in health insurance. I have two
Okay.
medals, and
Mm-hmm.
I won one time mutual fund. They give some cash prize also for mutual funds, and one time for life insurance.
So,
They've
why
given
you have selected RRB as an option? Why
because
you feel RRB as a career opportunity?
from the beginning I'm interested in public sector banking. So now I got the opportunity to be selected as scale 2, and in scale 2 I can be in my area on. I know I in Telangana. If I get a job in Telangana region, I'll be in Telangana for most of the period. From my
So,
childhood,
which bank you have selected as your
APGVB,
first option?
Andhra Pradesh Gramin Vikas.
So in APGBB, there are two states that APGBB covers. One
Yes, sir.
is Andhra Pradesh and second one is Telangana. And how will you be posted at your home state?
I tried. I mean, there is a ratio for examination marks also. So if I top the exam, I'll be choose. Uh,
Who said you that there is such a formula?
I mean, past.
Are you interested to join RRB or are you interested to join in your home state only?
I'm interested to join in home state only.
So you feel that for you there are limited scopes, because in a officer cadre you should be freely available to serve anywhere in India. If you would have been in any other bank in scale 2, like in any public sector bank, you should
Yes, sir.
be free you should be available to roam throughout the country.
Yeah, yeah.
Then and if someday RRB is to be merged with any public sector bank, then you will quit the job, right?
No, sir. At that time, I'll go into some other bank which can be placed.
So you are not here to stay.
Yes, sir. Of course, I have to grow in,
Oh,
by
so
staying in my local area.
why this homesickness is? Why you
Because
want to stay in your hometown only?
all from my childhood, I was not at home, sir. I was in boarding schools and colleges.
So for you the scopes are limited then.
Yes, sir.
So with limited scopes, how you can qualify?
There is a scope, sir, which it can be limited, but there is a scope. So,
So it is up to the management whether they will post you in Andhra or they will post you in Telangana. So there are other banks where you could appear, like Telangana Gramin Bank, which
as per
operational area was into Telangana only.
as per notification,
Mhm.
there is no vacancies in Andhra Pradesh for APGVB. We have vacancies for APGB in
Mhm.
Telangana.
So why, as a banker, why if I'm from APGBB, why should I select you? Because I know that you are not going to stay with our bank. Then why should I select you?
The further
Give
period,
me one reason. Yes.
wherever wherever I work, I'll be good at my work. That is first, and I'll be
Now, all others will be good at their work. All others, those who are appearing in the interview, will be good at their work. We have no doubt about that. But why should you be selected when you are reluctant to join in Andhra? Because there is no guarantee where you will be posted. Either you will be posted in Telangana or you will be posted in Andhra. So why should I select you?
because
Give- Hmm?
sorry, sir, I don't have.
So see, this type of grilling will be there.
Yes,
You
yes,
should prepare your script well before the exam.
yes,
You should not have a choice before your interview or also in interview. If you are thinking that you are planning to join only in Telangana, it should be in your mind, in your planning. But you should not reveal all this in to an interviewer. This is a grand mistake you have done. You are outrightly disqualified from the interview. So it is known that rural bank has a limited area of operations, but still if you will say that I will only work in my hometown, you will not get to qualify. And
okay,
this type of unexpected grilling will be there.
okay,
Don't see, you have to read the term and conditions well. As an officer, you have to serve anywhere in India. Okay. If the
yes,
operations is limited, it's okay. Like in your case, this bank has operational area in 2 states, so you
yes,
cannot have a say. Even the ongoing officers, those who have worked for 10-20 years, they cannot have a say. Okay, they
yes,
cannot have a say. So you must not dictate on your terms to the interviewer, and they will outrightly reject you within no time. And for all others, those who are watching it, it's a lesson. Don't put your personal agendas into the interview board. Don't tell all this to them. It should be in your mind. And if you have such issues of homesickness, or you want to stay in your hometown, or you are well at a language and you don't want to change your mother tongue, and you are not good at other languages and you cannot work anywhere outside, hence you have applied for the post, this is a personal reason. Okay, once you are into bank or applying for the bank, you are there to serve the public, and to serve the public you have to ready to serve from anywhere you are posted, right? Such mistakes should not be there. And many a times this interviewer will grill you to understand your hidden agendas. Don't reveal your hidden agendas. Okay,
Okay.
this is the
Okay.
lesson.
Okay.
Okay, you rectify. You don't put all this. You have to rectify again. You have to rectify your introduction. Okay,
I intend
introduction
to hold on this, sir.
the introduction part is necessary. And yes, biggest achievement, if it is asked, 3-4 achievements you have to put. Even if there is no achievement, put 5-10 achievements. Okay, say
Okay.
I have repeatedly being number one in my bank. They will not come to check to your bank. You have to show an extraordinary achievement when it is asked. Okay, what is the
Okay.
branch business? What have you done for your branch business, sir? Once I joined, when I joined, the business was so slow, and we are only at 10 crore advances, and I have done 100 crores of advance in 7 months. So you have to put some imaginary figure, imaginary and reasonable figure. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
you have to biggest achievement, etc. You have to point out.
Yes,
Sorry,
sure.
we'll go with Mayur next. Mayur, are you ready? By the time Bharat, you have to rectify yourself. Go ahead for your rectifications.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Okay,
Yeah, okay.
there are serious issues, so